So I heard a lot of you want a multi-tools Discord bot who does many things. And in this video, I brought an advanced bot for that. The bot that I'm going to show you in this tutorial, it contains many feature and functions like welcomer, moderation, fun, music, admin commands, economy, etc. It contains in total plus 400 commands. To launch the token, we have to create a Discord bot and get the token. Follow what I do. Now let's invite the Discord bot to the server and create a channel for commands log and stuff, and copy the ID of the channel and go back to replit in line number 24, then put your ID over there. After that, let's finally launch the bot by running replit code. And let me show you a preview commands and let you to test it when you run it. Don't forget that the bot replit link is in the description box.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true,